Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Wi-Fi capabilities in the POCO M2 Pro device. So in this video, I'll be showing you whether the phone actually supports the 5 GHz network or not. So usually with the mid-range segments and low-end mobile phones, they do support the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection will be only available in few of the mid-range segments. So definitely before buying the phone, you need to know whether the phone has the dual Wi-Fi capabilities or not. For example, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating you with the POCO M2 Pro whether the phone actually supports the 5 GHz network or not. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for exactly what is the live wallpaper I'm using currently in both of the smartphones, so which looks fantastic. Even wallpapers for the punch holes and notch smartphones as well. So always try to check the links in description for all the playlist which I have created. So let's get started with the first thing. Let me open the Wi-Fi connection. Let me show you the Wi-Fi. So as soon as I turn on the Wi-Fi, you should be able to see the two network connections, 2.5 GHz and the 5 GHz network connection. So you can clearly see. So for the mid-range segment phone, you need to definitely check whether the 2.5 GHz and 2.4 and 5 GHz support is available or not. So finally in the POCO M2 Pro there is a 5 GHz network available, and right now with the POCO M2 F2 Pro, so it is a POCO F2 Pro friends, which is a high-end premium phone. So when you're buying the high-end mobile phones, in that phones you need to check right now whether you do have the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities or not. So with the POCO F2 Pro, you do have this kind of Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, as you can see clearly. But with the mid-range segment phones, we don't usually see this kind of Wi-Fi 6 right now. But definitely maybe in the future you might be able to see that is common for every mid-range segment phone. But right now at the moment, you need to definitely check whether the phone actually supports the 5 GHz network or not. So overall, in terms of the Wi-Fi connection, it's pretty good and stable, so there is no issues at all. But if you compare the side by side with the high-end mobile phone from the POCO F2 Pro versus POCO M2 Pro, the connection in the POCO F2 Pro is very good. So you can see the three lines in the Wi-Fi connection, whereas in the POCO M2 Pro you can only see only 2 bars on the top, that's it. So not much. So let me bring closer. So here you can see. So both the phones are connected to the same kind of 5 GHz network, but you do get more signal on the POCO F2 Pro device, so which is something to be noted from the high-end mobile phones. Definitely this is the case always, but with the mid-range segment phones definitely there is no issues at all with this kind of Wi-Fi here. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for exactly what wallpapers I'm using in